body which is oval shape, and then a head which is circle shape. So these are the two shapes. You can use it for many of the things, except for if you're drawing horse, cow, a donkey, or some of those zebras. So those are entirely different shapes, different joining of different shapes. So for the head, all you need to do is just join the back side, and the front one little bit you need to show that neck. So as you can see in the front, I've just uh, drawn it as a little bit curved, and the back it's just join both of them. So we'll erase those lines inside. So for the beak, it is just a curved line, just like that. It has to come down, and then the curve, which that's exactly how we need to draw, just the curve like S, but it is little bit more of stressed S. And then the line goes inside, and the thin line goes inside just to show the line between the two, the top and the bottom. And the bottom one actually has to touch with a curve, it has to touch the neck. So that's exactly how you need to draw that. While coloring, we'll put the line in between. Just for the sake, I'll also put it now so you can actually see where that goes. And then the eye, you can see that actually has to come a little bit inside, and then we'll draw the eye now. It's a circle, it's a circle. Make sure that there is a dot of white left. Usually sometimes what happens is, what you will most of the students do is, you just actually use just black as black. So just put it as black for the eye. I'm also trying to do trying to shape the body itself. So let's draw the feet, so they are just like straight, or otherwise okay, let's, what we'll do is, let's try to draw the wings first. So those fins which it's being used for swimming. So it's again, as you can see, the beak, what we had done is, the stretched as this is a little bit less stretched both, but make sure the edge of that hand or that particular wing is actually not going to be sharp enough. It doesn't have to be, it just has to be blunt. And then a small tail. Usually if they are small, you won't see tail, much of a tail, but for the adult ones you need to put. So for the feet, even if you look at those penguins, all you will see is some small portions of the feet with some fingers. It's not much of you can actually put too much detail in that. Here again, for coloring also, you need to remember that